Good morning, my dear student. Here I am with a new story, okay? And the name of the lesson is The Moving Hill. So, what happened for us? It is not possible to move a hill, isn't it? But many years ago, one person has lifted the entire mountain, okay? And who was that? Do you know? He was Hanuman. And what happened in the Ramayana? Okay, Lakshmana got hurt in a war, and Hanuman was asked to bring some medicinal herb from Mount Sanjeevani. But when he reached there, what happened? He don't know exactly which is the medicinal herb he has to pick. For that reason, what he did? He left the entire mountain and carries it back to the army. So what he did? He left the whole mountain and he has taken to the army to find out which one is the medicinal herb. So here today also we are going to read a story about a man who wanted to move a hill. Okay, but it is not sure whether he can move a hill or not, because as all of us we know, if you want to move a hill, you should be more powerful, isn't it? So here goes the story. Here in the hilly kingdom of Kandy, there lived a man named Andre. He was the court jester of the king of Kandy. Okay, so jester means what? It is given in your book. You can see jester, a king's clown. Okay, you can say joker type who used to make others people laugh. Okay, so here what happened? Andre, he in the hilly kingdom of Kandy he used to live, and what? He was a king court's jester. Okay, so one day what happened? Do you know? The people of Kandy loved the court jester Andre for his sense of humor and intelligence. He was very intelligent and sense of humor he had. It is so happened that he once heard a rich man wish that he could move a hill that stood in the middle of the field so that he could grow more rice. So he listened that one rich man was saying that he want to move the hill from the middle of the field so that he can grow more rice. In an instant, he realized that he could take advantage of the situation. He offered to help the rich man to move the hill in return for a humble gift of rice and black fowl stew every day till the hill was moved. For 4 months he enjoyed this meal both in morning and night. In fact, what happened? He neglected going to the court. He soon looked plump and healthy. One day when the rich man asked him how the work had proceeded, he asked him to bring the town folk to view the removal of the hill the next day. Okay. So here what he was doing all those things. Okay. So what happened? For 4 months he was continuously going to that rich man house and he was having his meal, and due to his meal he become very healthy. Okay. He was looking very nice. Okay. The following day, after stuffing himself with the rice and stew, the jester went to remove the hill. He went to remove the hill. All were waiting eagerly to see what would happen. Andre then placed a betel leaf on his shoulder and asked the rich man to instruct the people pick up a piece of hill and place on the leaf. The rich man recognized the court jester and realized that he had been tricked. He went home in shame while the others enjoyed the joke. On a deeper note, the trick made the rich man understand that he should not ask for unreasonable things. Okay, so here what happened? Here the rich man understood that he should not ask the people to do some useless thing which the other people cannot do. At last, who was in shame? Who got shame? That rich man. Okay. And Andre, due to his naughty things, the other people, they start laughing. Okay. So here, by the unexpected turn in the end, the reader is kept eager throughout to know what the court jester does to move the hill. So here what happened? Up to the end also, the rich man could not recognize who was Andre. Okay. But at last when he come to know, he understood that he was the what? He was the jester